Friday, 5:58 p.m.
I know you're flying. I dropped my phone in the toilet, and I don't know what to do. If you're traveling, be safe. I love you. Bye.
This is Carol. I'm calling from a green thing, and we have flower delivery for Casey. They're at the desk, the front desk. They won't let us come any further.
Don't F-you button me after I F-you button you. Not cool, Andrew. Not cool.
Hi, it's Brenda at the front desk. Just want to let you know I was able to nab a FedEx truck from across the street, and your package has been picked up.
Sup there, Underpants, Vermont. I got a quick question regarding these Chinese lanterns, big lanterns we got for After Friday, and the bulbs.
Hey, man. Just getting back from the scouting. Place looks great. We finally have more information as to when we can get in.
Hey, it's Meg. I just want to call to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day.
We're the insurance carrier for Uber partner drivers. Andrew, I'm giving you a call in regards to the very minor accident that occurred during your guys' recent Uber trip on February 10th.
Hi, Andrew. My name's Sherry. I'm calling from the cat doctor regarding Simba. Just wanted to let you know that the stool sample you dropped off was sent to the lab and came back negative for any evidence of intestinal parasites.
Calling in regards to your project that you have out in Pleasanton, we have a great mixer out there, and we can definitely assist you with this project.
And how's it going, man? It's Mark. It's around 8:15. I was just driving. I saw the skyline off in the distance, and that moon was insane. So I don't know where you are, or if you're actually out there with your lens on there, shooting it up.
We'll call again later. Goodbye. At the end of your message, press 1.
Mr. Kazmerski, call me when you can. Goodbye.